This video will be quite emotional. It's because I'm experiencing this myself as a co-founder and CEO of a startup. The idea is when I talk to people, especially to Americans, they usually say, "Hey Costa, you made an amazing thing. It's so incredible. You will revolutionize the world." They're saying so many great things. And do you know what? After the call or short conversation, I sent an email with a big thank you for listening to me, to listening to my idea, to giving your opinion on what I've developed, for your advice, blah blah blah. And during their awesome words, they are promising to introduce me to a CEO of Visa, to a CEO of Bank of America, even to the God himself, right? But when I sent the email, there is a complete silence. Nothing back at all. That's why I would ask you, if you are that kind of advisor, person or introducer, don't tell these things you won't handle, you won't really intend to do for the person you're talking to. Because we founders, we don't need your bullshit. Because it's kind of, we count on you. And I don't think it's a good behavior when you promise something and you deliver nothing. And you deliver the only in reverse a complete silence. That's completely unrespectable behavior, to be honest. This video for real supporters, because if you want to support someone, you don't need to promise. You can say something, okay, let me think to whom I can introduce you to. Because if you will promise and do nothing, it's not something good, to be honest. That's why support only if you can, and advise just real things, and introduce to only people you trust to, and you believe they will reply through your introduction. This is like a really respected behavior, because especially when you are trying to support someone, to be honest, there are too many things to advise and too less things that could bring real help. If you want to do something, don't just give an advice. Hey, you should think about the Philippines. You should think about, Peru, Argentina, about hiring people there and hiring people there. It's not something useful. Something useful is real help. If you help just little, it's worth more compared to your big advice to consider opening Australia for your product. That's why this is like my personal attitude. I don't spread my advice around. The only thing I do is what I really can help with. For example, I'm very well connected with guys from Abu Dhabi, from Hub 71. They designed a great program to support foreign companies to go to Abu Dhabi, register their entities at ADGM, Abu Dhabi Global Markets, and penetrate the Middle East through Abu Dhabi. That's great. And if I think that this particular company I'm talking to could fit well to the ADGM's vision, only then I will do an introduction, right? Or for example, I've just got connected with government of Hong Kong. I don't know them well, and I haven't touched and tried their program myself. That's why I won't recommend to join this by anybody, because I haven't built that trusted relationships yet. So if you want to support, it's better to buy something from the company. Let me show you something. Give me a sec. Hold on. Okie dokie. I've got this box from Unihertz. This is a box of Titan Pocket smartphone. We'll show you in a while what is this. Basically, this is an Android smartphone, BlackBerry-like, with a physical keyboard. Do you really think I personally need another smartphone? Because I already have 4 or 5 smartphones in my bag for different purposes. Do you think I really need one more that's kind of cool, nice, but slightly useless smartphone? No, I definitely don't. But my idea is, instead of just supporting them and giving my, let's say, slogans and verbal support, yeah, you're doing great, guys, yeah, keep doing. No, I gave them my 162 British pounds to support a production of brand new Titan Pocket. It's not because I want to purchase this phone, because I just met them on Kickstarter. Definitely, I don't need another phone, but I like their concept, I like their passion, I like their attitude. They want to bring something great to the public. They are really keen to introduce this cool type of device, and I like their openness to the public. So they launched the campaign through Kickstarter, it went well, and I am the person who really supported them with my real money by purchasing their product. I like to play with it, but to be honest, that's how I did something instead of telling something about them. So basically, they launched their campaign on Kickstarter, raising hand that they want to produce this kind of cool phone. You can see it here on the Kickstarter webpage. Again, instead of telling to, even if you would tell to your friend about this great product, and if he or she will buy, great stuff, this is a real support. You don't need to tell them in a word, okie dokie, I did this. No, you just do, and you will be paid back. Don't worry. That's why I got this beautiful phone. Let's unbox it and see what I really supported. Give me a sec, let's start the unboxing of it. Don't have a professional unboxing thing, but I've got like a broken chair and this box. So basically this is Unihertz EU representative information from the Netherlands, Titan Pocket, some information, 6 GB RAM, 128 octa-core 2 GHz, 4000 mAh, 3.1 inch display, Android 11, yeah, that's quite good. LTE, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, made in China. Cool, Unihertz. Let's see what I eventually supported. I like tech stuff, but yeah, this is, as you can see, this is like a really first unboxing. So, let's open it. Are you ready? Opening it. Woohoo! Designed by Unihertz. Oh, what's a lovely phone! It's like it's like Virtu, you know. But looks like whoa! Listen, it's solid. The phone is solid enough. I think I like it. So please peel off the mask after. Whoa. That one is really cool. Whoa. It feels solid enough. USB-C. Let's switch it on. Oh, they have infrared sensor and mini jack port. How to switch it on? Oh yeah. Basically, I like it. Unihertz. Nice. The phone is really cool. It feels heavy, but yeah, it's nice, to be honest. I definitely like it. I like unique things. So yeah, start. Skip. It looks good. Nice. Okie dokie. We'll play with it later, but but that what I really do. If I want to support someone, I definitely do it. I give them my money to help, to do something. And the font is really good. Probably I will use it. Yeah, that feels good. This tiny bird on the top, it's like Vertu. This keyboard is almost complete BlackBerry, I love. Yeah, heavy, nice and cool. That's what real support means. I don't want to claim myself as a great supporter, but when I promise something, I do my best to do this for people I promised to do something. Hopefully, after this video, you will support people you meet at a respectful degree. Thank you.